Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating this bedroom and I'm so excited because I have a new mattress from Lull. So if you don't know, Lull is a premium mattress company that ships your mattress straight to your door. And most of you know my husband is a fireman, so he's away, and when he comes home, there's one less thing I need for him to do is pick up a mattress. And not only that, it's really easy to maneuver, and I'm going to be unboxing it by myself. The first thing you want to do is just cut the box open. We're going to slide the mattress onto the bed and remove that first layer of plastic. I've already cut a slit in the final plastic, so I'm going to position the mattress on the bed, flip it over on the right side so it can completely expand. And you can even see how much more it's expanding even as I remove that final layer of plastic. You can really tell the difference. So we're going to go ahead and move that final layer of plastic and set it to the side. So today's video is being sponsored by Lull. Although Lull is sponsoring today's video, I'm going to give you my personal opinion on why I chose this mattress. So Lull has 3 categories for their mattresses to choose from: the original Lull mattress, the premium, and the Luxe hybrid. I chose the Luxe hybrid mattress, which offers the same as the previous mentioned Lull mattresses and a little bit more. This mattress also has a breathable cover that helps regulate your body temperature so you won't overheat during the night. I also chose the Luxe Hybrid for the height, which is 13 inches. The bottom layer is made of individually wrapped coils that provide support and stability. The top layer is made of gel-infused memory foam that conforms to your body while you lay down. One of the standout features of the Lull mattress is its motion isolation. This means that if you share a bed with a partner who tosses and turns at night, you won't feel as much movement. Lull has a 365-night stress-free trial, plus free shipping and easy returns and a lifetime warranty. And if you know me, I'm going to protect my mattress, so we're going to add this mattress cover from Lull. Overall, the Lull Hybrid mattress is a great choice for those looking for comfort, support, and motion isolation. So be sure to use my link to get up to $800 off your Lull mattress. I'll leave the link in the description. So thank you, Lull, for this hybrid Luxe mattress. I'm obsessed. Now that we're finished installing the mattress and putting the mattress pad on, let's go ahead and add a little decor to the room. And of course, you know I have to make up our new bed. So let's go ahead and continue on with the decorating. Majority of the items I'm going to share in today's video, I shared in a recent haul. So if anything you're interested in, please check the links as well as the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. So it's been a couple of days since I installed my new Lull mattress as well as made the bed. But every time I'm in here filming, I notice that the headboard looks discolored, and part of it is the lighting and the other part is it is a stain. So originally this headboard was going to go with my daughter, but she decided to get the other bed, and now I see why every time I come in this room. So I'm going to go ahead and go online and order the Little Green Pro Heat stain remover. And I'm also going to order the correct box spring for this mattress or this bed. Now that I have the correct mattress for the bed, I need the correct box spring. So I'm going to order the low profile box spring, and it's going to go perfectly with this new mattress, because before you could see a part of the box spring sticking out, and now that I have a thicker mattress, the low profile box spring is going to work perfectly. So we got that ordered, and I'll put it on in another video, but I want to go ahead and steam this comforter. I really didn't want to put direct heat on it, but that was the only way to get it steamed. So I went ahead and did it. I put the setting, originally it was on turbo, but I changed it to high because I don't want to melt the fabric. There's some little designs on there, but I didn't have an issue once I got started. I just had to make sure I completely steamed the entire comforter. So I'm going to go ahead and make the bed completely and finish decorating the space. And I'll come back in another video and show you how I'm going to clean the headboard as well as my little ottoman that I keep at the foot of this bed. And then I'll also change the box spring. So we'll do that in another video just to show you. But by the time this video goes up, those items that I ordered should be in. Right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. I went ahead and swapped out the artificial plants with these faux fall stems in a little vase that I already had. I felt like they go better with the space and of course with the time of the year. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just looking around the room, majority of the items I already had that you see I'm using in the space. I did pick up a new piece of art and I decided not to use it in the space. It actually is too white for this space, and I'll show you a picture of that later on in the video. And I'm just wiping this ottoman down with a damp paper towel. A lot of times I like to vacuum these items first, but I decided to just wipe it. So this is how it looked. That was a clean paper towel, and it really lets me know I need to use that little green machine on it. I'm going to bring the art back in, and here it is to see how it go in this space. I do have a wall I can put it on, but it definitely will look good on this wall. Yeah, so not so much right there, but I do need to bring that art down. I sometimes use the stuff that was already on it, but yeah, I think it will look good in this room. So here is how the space is looking. Like I said, a lot of the items I already shared in this space are items I already had. I feel like those lamps would go perfectly with that comforter set. So that's pretty much it. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Lull, for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the description so you can save up to $800 on your Lull mattress. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.